Welcome to our tutorial on how to unfollow an account on Instagram using your PC. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram feed and stop following a specific account, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unfollow them. Let's begin. To start, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com to access the Instagram website on your PC. Next, navigate to the account that you want to unfollow. You can search for the account using the search bar or visit their profile directly. Once you're on the account's profile, locate the following button. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Unfollow option. This action will unfollow the account and stop their posts from appearing in your feed. By following these steps, you can easily unfollow an account on Instagram using your PC, allowing you to customize your following list based on your preferences. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to unfollow an account on Instagram on your PC. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.